how to send emails in MailerLite. So first, go to MailerLite and then go to your dashboard. Next is just click on campaigns here at the left. Okay, now here, just click on create campaign. Then of course, you just need to click on regular campaign. So here, you just need to type in your campaign name. So I'll just type in, say campaign 1. Okay, now as for the subject, you can just type in any subject here. So I'll just say subject 1. And then of course the sender is me. And then pre-header, you can type in anything here. So I'll just type in anything here just for an example. And of course, for your recipients, you can choose all of your active subscribers, or you can choose any by name. Then choose anyone here in your emails or from your subscribers. So let's say I choose to send emails to all of my active subscribers. Just click on the checkbox and then just click on select. Okay, now just click on next content. Then just click on template gallery, or you can start from scratch if you want. So I'll just use template gallery here. So let's say I want to use the template of, let's say, Saber Rick's Hill, this one. So just click on choose. Okay, so let's say I'm editing this one. I'll just type in today here. So let's say I'm done editing my email for the one that I'm going to send, right? So let's say I'm done editing it, customizing it. Just click on done editing. Just wait for it to load. Okay, now from here, you just need to decide whether to send it now, send it later, or send it based on time zones. So let's say I want to send it now. Just click on send now and then just click on send and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.